Welcome to the Complete Beginner's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. This video will show you how to earn your first commission from scratch. We will cover everything from understanding affiliate marketing and choosing the right niche to setting up your website, creating content, and driving traffic. We'll also cover advanced monetization techniques. The video will continue with tracking performance, scaling your business, staying up to date with trends, and prioritizing your well-being. Finally, we'll provide bonus resources and action steps. Welcome to this session on affiliate marketing. Today we'll introduce the concept of earning income by promoting others' products online. This video will cover essential topics to help you understand affiliate marketing and guide you toward earning your first commission. Let's begin the journey together. Affiliate marketing is performance-based, where you earn commissions from sales you generate. The key players are the merchant, the affiliate who promotes, and the customer who buys through unique tracking links. These links ensure you get credit for your sales. Choosing the right niche is foundational. Align your interests with market demand for relevant products. Then, conduct a competitor analysis to find gaps and opportunities to stand out and attract your audience. Validate your niche idea by assessing profitability and potential commission rates. Understand your target audience's needs. Also, check for active communities and trends to ensure your niche is vibrant and growing. To set up your website, choose a memorable domain name, including relevant keywords. Select a reliable web hosting provider. Then, install a user-friendly content management system like WordPress to manage your content easily. Design your website with an attractive and easily navigable layout. Use high-quality images and engaging content to retain visitors. Optimize your site for a seamless user experience and follow SEO best practices for better search rankings. Creating valuable content starts with understanding your audience's needs. Brainstorm relevant topics that resonate with them. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to engage and inform visitors effectively. Optimize content for SEO by incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Craft clear meta descriptions and use alt tags with keywords for images. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly to enhance user experience and search rankings. Drive traffic through search engine optimization to attract organic users. Use social media marketing to share engaging content and build an audience. Utilize paid advertising on platforms like Google or Facebook to quickly drive targeted traffic to your site. When using paid advertising, set clear campaign goals. Targeted ads help you reach a specific audience quickly. Continuously monitor and optimize ad performance to maximize success and return on investment. Monetize traffic by promoting relevant affiliate offers using unique links. Build and nurture an email list for targeted affiliate campaigns. Diversify earnings with other revenue streams like ads, sponsored content, or digital products. For advanced monetization, create and promote your own digital products. Partner with influencers to expand your reach. Implement native advertising for seamless, relevant ads that integrate smoothly with your website content. Building strong relationships involves effective communication and regular contact with affiliate partners. Provide support and resources to help them succeed. Foster a collaborative and trustworthy environment for long-lasting partnerships. Leverage analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor traffic and conversions. Track key metrics such as volume, conversions, and revenue. Optimize your strategies with A/B testing based on data insights to improve overall performance. Scale your business by diversifying traffic sources to reduce risk. Optimize performance continuously using data and testing to maximize profits. Automate processes with tools to streamline operations and manage campaigns efficiently. Staying competitive requires adapting to changes in affiliate marketing and digital trends. Incorporate emerging strategies like influencer marketing and video content. Commit to continuous learning and innovation for long-term success. Prioritizing your well-being is essential. Maintain a healthy work-life balance to ensure overall happiness. Practice self-care regularly to prevent burnout and sustain your creativity, supporting long-term business growth. We offer bonus resources for your success. Access essential tools and exclusive guides with actionable checklists. Recommended courses can help you unlock advanced strategies and further improve your skills and earnings. The first action step is to implement the knowledge you've gained in this video. Use the free resources and exclusive materials available. Stay consistent and persistent to gradually build your affiliate marketing business and earn commissions. Review the key takeaways: niche selection, website setup, content creation, traffic, and monetization. Approach affiliate marketing with confidence. Continue to learn, experiment, and adapt for ongoing success on your journey. We've included the full ebook guide for free, which you can download through the link in the description below.